All right, I'm ready whenever you are, dude.
Puffcore. Wait, you're
All right.
seeing the
Yeah,
cutscene right now?
I'm seeing Sons of
Okay,
Forest.
good, good, good. Whoa, oh, you can look around. Look at this.
Dang, so I'm late.
Damn.
Good morning, YouTube. Hope you guys are doing well. We are going to be playing Sons of the Forest today.
Bro, could you not monologue during the cutscene, bro? Nah, you're
Yeah,
good, you're good.
yeah, of course.
Yo, is that Storm? Yo, this
Bro,
game actually looks really good.
I'm in the Puff
That's
Corp.
crazy.
I'm in a helicopter, I think. Yep.
Yeah, who's that? Fisheye? What's up,
We are
Fisheye?
freaking
Who's
dive bombing right now.
Kelvin?
Holy Kelvin, I mean, man.
500 feet below ground.
Dude, I love the ambiance. This is amazing. I love the rain sound. Ah, you know how I am with
Hmm.
rain and sound.
Oh, yeah. Is that our wife and
Fisheye.
daughter up there? I mean, my wife and daughter. That's my wife and daughter.
Edward Puffton. 31 weeks. 30. Barbara.
Yeah. We're looking for Barbara,
Looking for
Virginia, or
Barbara.
Virginia, or Virginia,
Virginia.
and Edward,
Oh
or
yeah, she's a
Edward,
student,
Barbara,
socialite,
and Virginia.
Puff Corp CEO,
This supposed to be touching stuff. Oh yeah,
and
there
here's
we
a
go.
map. Okay, connection
Oh,
thing. We have terrible Wi-Fi.
eye color gray. Oh,
So,
interesting.
so they're all missing. Husband, mother. Okay, so she's the daughter, and then Edward.
Edward.
Why does it have the eye color? Like, why does
What?
gray matter? Am I gonna have
Black
to get right up in
kids,
their eyes
bro.
and look at their right up to their
Oh,
face, look at their eyes, be like, nope, not her.
whoa. Mayday, mayday. We're going down.
I am the
Hold on, Kelvin.
fight
Good
damage.
heavens. Oh,
Oop,
hello.
oop, shots fired, shots fired. I am going down, Captain.
I know. I can't believe this.
Ah, dang, that's rough. It seemed
Very
very
rough.
subtle. Like, we kind of just clump. Oh, oh, that's a fear.
Dang, bro, he's
Dang.
already drowned. My man's has no breath. Oh, frick.
My guy can. Yo,
Yeah.
dude, just go around the helicopter. Just, it's like a 3 foot wide heli. Just swim the other direction. Never mind. He kind of deserves it at this point. I don't feel bad.
Freedom. Finally, away from the corporate overlords. What?
Dang, I love just how strong my knees are to be able to kick that out underwater, dude.
Yeah. Whoa, who's that?
So
What the
why
heck?
was I able to swim out, but the other guy who's a secret agent or a special agent wasn't able to hold his
Whoa.
breath for like 30 seconds? Oh my gosh, someone's just standing above you. You just kicked my hand. Oh, that's not
Bro,
you.
what the
Oh,
frick?
who are you? I want that hand cannon. Dang, that thing looks sick.
Hand
Boonk.
cannon. My man,
Alright,
that's a revolver.
I'm out. It's a hand cannon.
Holy heckers,
Welcome to
dude.
Fortnite.
No.
Is that you? You're just gonna watch me.
Bro, you should see that animation. That's hilarious.
This is my emergency pack. Mine and mine only. Okay. This looks good. Alright. We're in here. We're in here. Dang, dude. That mountain. You know, you're actually hurting me. I'm going to die.
What? What are you talking about? Ooh, rocks.
Okay. I played baseball, you know. Ow, you're gonna kill me. I'm
How
going
did I
to
hit you
die.
behind me? Bro, that's hilarious.
Oh, okay, that
You got
causes
that wild
regeneration.
swing, bro. Hey, look, who's this guy? Hello? Oh. Oh, yo.
Okay,
This is...
flares.
It's Kelvin, My man's. Oh,
9mm.
he's
I
dazed
like
right now,
it.
dude. Wait, what?
What?
Everybody. Oh goodness.
Oh, there's
I'm
stuff
over
in
here
here. I just ate a freaking
helping
candy
this
bar.
man.
Doing what, man?
Kelvin.
Kelvin?
Kelvin.
He's alive?
You're alive.
He's
He's alive.
alive! Kelvin! What's your eye color? We need to make sure that you're actually who you think we are.
Wait, ooh. Oh yeah, what do we want him to do? I can give him some
You can
instructions.
tell him what to do?
Yeah.
How do
Build
I...
a fire,
Can I change
I guess.
eye?
Here you go, bud.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Richard.
Yeah.
Click eye, real quick. Just click eye.
Yes.
There's quite a bit in
Hello.
here, dog.
Interesting.
Click the gear to open emergency pack.
Oh, GPS and what is that?
What is this?
Okay, okay.
Richard! Our backpack is RGB. It's a Razer backpack.
What?
Click on that power button down on the bottom,
Oh,
and then you can switch the color. It's a
dude,
Razer.
look at this. Look at this fire he made.
Oh wow,
That's great.
that's pretty sick actually.
Yeah. Nope.
Nice.
Rock. Rock. Rock, rock. Rock. You can't eat these dead fish on the ground. I bet they're healthy. Ah!
Oh, that wasn't me. That was Calvin.
Yeah, it was Kelvin. I'm sure. Oh,
How do I put away this freaking
golly.
fire?
Um,
There has to
yeah.
be like an inventory thing, right? You good, bro? Oh. Hey, yo, yo, get down!
Hi, hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Let me
Whoa.
find some medicine.
I can hold E to respawn.
Oh, I was gonna heal you. Oh, where'd you end up?
I'm probably halfway
I
across
have
the
no idea where you
universe
are.
now, dude. Oh, no, I'm drowning.
Oh, yeah, you're in the water. That's funny. What's up, Kelvin? How's it going, bro?
How do I... Can I
Alright, so what's
move?
the first order of business? What do we do here?
I can't move. Am I just gonna drown under here? Is that... Is there like a swim up button? Oh,
Good
I'm
question.
tied underwater. Okay, so I had to cut a rope underwater. This is insane, dude.
Oh, yeah, I see you over there.
Where? Oh, you're... Oh. Arr. He's over there. Dude, do I have like a
Yeah.
T above my name tag?
Oh. I just murdered a bird.
Poor bird,
Nope, I'm skinning
honestly.
it.
Oh,
Oh,
you're skinning him. That's just
yeah.
dark.
I'm in my... Going back to my roots. Found an oyster.
He's native.
Yes. Do I craft now? Or... I need 2 sticks.
What is this tree made
Right.
of? I swear
I
the other
need...
one was so much easier to chop.
Hold up. Oh, no, I
Do I need to like
I
spin
need,
around and... Oh, you need to like do
there
more
we go.
damage to it. Oh, science.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Alright, Calvin.
Cool.
Can you do something, please? I
I have
need
a
you
spear.
to
I'm gonna stab things.
get sticks and
This guy has a really
drop
cool bone
here.
mass.
Yeah, this nice.
Come here, birds. Come here. No, yeah.
Calvin, I'm going to protect you forever.
Nah, he got away. The one that got away.
The one that got away.
Cool.
Could you
I now have 2
please?
bird meat. Wait, hold up.
There we go.
How did I not notice that before? Hold up 1 second. 1 second, Tanner, where are you?
Dude, look at your minimap, bro.
Oh
I'm playing
my
Minecraft, dude.
gosh. Tanner, where are you?
Dude, I'm doing things.
Tanner,
I'm making
I have, I have,
moves.
I have a present for you.
You have a present for me? Oh no.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make the best
I have a
house
present for you.
ever. Oh
My
my
gosh.
gosh, my
I
strength.
like
I just
blueberries.
get it right in there. You know how it goes.
You're gonna love this, man. Dang, how far away did you get?
What are you talking about?
Hey, look, starfish.
Yeah, I know, right? Dude, there's a freaking ton of starfish in there, but you can't kill them.
No, Sag. Probably for the best.
I was just gonna kill a ton of them,
How'd you
honestly.
get up there?
If you run around, you know, you could. Yeah, no, this way, this way, this way, this way. Other way.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah,
Looks like I
run.
could probably get up through here.
You do you, man. You wanna, if you wanna tempt it.
I'm a mountain goat.
He is the best mountain goat. Oh my gosh, dude.
Dadar,
Oh, how the frick did you get up
dadar,
here? What's up, dude?
dadar.
Yeah.
I found some toadstools.
Look at me, bro. I'm building a house.
You like my bird?
Oh my gosh.
His name
That.
is Henry.
On. Look up a little bit. Look up. And then turn to your left. Perfect. That's my thumbnail. Thank you. I can send that to you later if you want.
I got you. I got you. That's great. I have one for you too. Here, do you want it?
You got another duck head.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Uh,
I guess
here,
it's
how
more
do
like a
I
seagull.
give this to you?
It's a trophy.
Yeah. That's great.
Wait,
How
wait,
do I
wait,
mount
wait,
this on a
wait.
stick?
Yeah, I know, right? I was gonna say, can we mount this on a stick?
Oh, I made a spear. I equipped this.
Oh wow. Oh,
Ow! Well, how'd you do that?
you're right, dude. Those freaking swings, they're massive. Bro, do you
Oh
like my
yeah.
house, dude? It's starting to look like a house. Yeah, this is this is amazing. I love our walkway we have here.
Catch.
Wait, how do you do that?
Catch. Oh.
Oh, do you have to like? Oh, you press G. That's amazing. Ah, you're gonna kill me. I'm gonna die. I'm 1 HP. I'm gonna die by wood. That
The true
sounds
lumberjack way.
amazing. Yeah.
It's a bird. Get over here.
Oh no. Run for your life. Don't spear him. Don't do it.
Ooh. Yeah. Now I have 3 bird heads.
3? That's great. Good job, honey. I
Oh
could build
yeah.
walls. I was hoping I could do that because I was wondering how the frick is this house gonna protect us if I can't build walls?
No, I didn't mean to do that. Hold up.
Look at that. I got a wall. And it's a window of the mountain area, dude. Oh my gosh. I love how we're spending all this time building a freaking house when we're probably gonna leave it in like 3 days.
Right.
But let's be honest. Back when we used to play Minecraft a lot, who didn't do that? Wow, that is a tall freaking tree, dude. I'm hungry and thirsty. Can I drink the rain? No?
Oh no. My seagull meat. It's gone.
Mom.
We need to find fresh water. Stat.
Mushrooms. Can I eat those? Oh,
um.
nope. Don't eat the mushrooms.
Yeah,
Mushrooms are
I would
not
say,
good.
I don't know about that one, Chief. We should actually build a house next to a water source.
I found
That's my prediction.
berries. I found berries. I'm gonna eat all these berries.
I'm gonna go up to this lake over here.
They're
Oh, look,
giving
it's a
me
squirrel.
very minor amounts of food
Where are you, buddy?
and water,
Where'd you go?
but it works, right?
There you are.
All right, GPS. What do you have for me? What do you have? What do you have? There is a river up here. Okay.
Drink it. Put your lips to the floor.
Is there like a crafting table? Can we like build
Okay,
things?
It needs
Oh,
to be
wait.
deeper.
In the book. Utility. Stairs. Seriously?
Oh, hey, look. If you come down here, you can drink water.
Okay. Is it fresh water or is it still gonna kill me?
Yep, it's fresh water.
That's ironic.
Oh, wait. Actually, I think it's killing me.
Oh, it's definitely killing me. Well, I'm also dying of starvation.
Me drinking water in real life.
I'm dead.
uh, find some medicine.
Can you res me,
That's
please?
that's crazy. I
Thank
got you.
you. Appreciate it. I'm going to keep drinking until it kills me again.
There's a guy up there, by the way. Oh. You sound like you're in pain.
I'm 1 HP right now. The room is dark. But these blueberries are all I have.
Amazing.
We should probably get seeds of these, which you can do by slicing them. And then it'll give you hypothetical
Who's
seeds.
that?
What? What happened?
Yes. I thought I just heard someone yell. Ah, weird. Okay,
Interesting.
so we could build a house here.
I love how we're spending all this time building a freaking house when we're probably gonna leave it. Oh, but I just spent so much time on the other one.
Yeah, that's a pretty bad place though.
True, that is a pretty dog water place. Plus, look at the.
Oh, hey, look, there's a cave over here. Should we go to the cave?
No, we should not go to the cave just yet.
We should go to the
Um,
cave. Yeah, you're right. We should probably do that when we're not dying of thirst.
right, and hunger, and I think we should probably run further up.
Yeah,
Is it?
further inland.
Because there's a stream up here.
Hmm.
Oh, Calvin's still collecting wood down there. Calvin, I'm going to protect you forever. You're right, we don't need him.
Okay.
Oh, he probably is a great asset.
He'll probably come find us eventually.
Hmm.
So when you die, it doesn't heal you.
No, it heals you.
Dude, the dramatic music, amazing.
I know, right?
Okay.
Alright, let's, So there is fresh water right here. Let's see if we can drink from this stream. If not,
Is this fresh water?
we
I
can
mean, it's gotta
drink.
be, right? You can.
It hurts, but you can.
Yeah.
Um,
Got me some worms after that one.
oh, there is some... Okay, alright. Here's what I'm thinking. Let's...
You look so derpy running around with that knife. That's amazing.
There is a waterfall up here. Let's build our house up here.
There he is.
There's a person!
Can we eat him?
He sees me. I'm going in, boys.
What's up, dudes?
Oh.
There was no diplomacy. Diplomacy was not an option here.
Oh my gosh, I have a head.
Oh my goodness.
Look
I'm
it.
on this.
Good berry?
Interesting.
Not good berry. Not a good berry. This is interesting.
I'm escaping.
Escape.
There you go.
Okay, so
Put it on a rock. It's fine.
that's a pretty cool way of reviving. I'm wondering though, we lose all of our stuff, right?
I just picked up all my stuff.
Like all of it, or did you?
Yep. I am hungry.
Damn.
You look like you've been traumatized from that. Oi, what?
Oh, it was you.
Yeah.
Teabag him. Teabag him.
He's not dead yet. No, he's dead.
What is that?
What's that?
Is that his ear?
Nice. What up?
Skin pouch collected.
Skin pouch. Lovely.
That is disgusting.
That's amazing.
Oh,
Hey,
they
look.
eat people. They're just cannibals. Oh, they deserve to die then. There's money. There's a
Yeah, I'm gonna eat you
wristwatch over
back.
here.
I mean, what?
There's a skull. I have a skull now. Okay. I need food, Doug. I'm like still dying of starvation.
Um, hold up. Where are you? Here, take this.
What kind of spell are you? What did you throw on the ground?
Check your inventory.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Ooh, bones.
Ooh, bow. Oh, I need 2 sticks?
Oh, wait, can you make armor from this?
Bone armor. That's insane. I
Why
won't.
would you stab me?
I didn't mean to. Alright, to be fair, I didn't mean to. I missed. You got him.
There we go.
I trust.
And bludgeoned to death. Ah, you stabbed me.
Dude, he's a freaking tank.
Dang, bro, my man is built different.
He's just
Alright,
built. My
I need your
guy.
bones.
I need your bones.
Ah, yes, of course.
There's another jockey over there. Freaking golem. There's just a ton of
Bones.
human remains.
Oh man, I'm full. The rest are yours.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Hey, look at this guy.
Oh! Oh!
Nice one. Take him out. Dang. He's dead. Alright, time. I'm gonna eat this raw leg right in front of you. Oh my goodness.
It's in your face.
The frick?
You just whacked me with his leg.
Here you go, you can have it.
Is that a deer? I see it. It is a deer. Wow, I'm blind.
Nice.
The freaking deer. He's running towards you. He's running towards you.
These mushrooms gotta be good for something, right?
Can I like pick up the body and take its meat or something, please? Something's
Oh, I
watching
already
me.
grabbed it.
Oh.
Better, dear.
Oh dear.
No, I can't. He's very fast.
Maybe I don't need a bow and arrow.
Yeah.
It made it cry, dude. It cried.
Wow. That's terrible.
I'm skinning it.
What a... The ducks are gone.
That is disgusting. And I'm taking it as a trophy, of course. I'm eating its meat.
Amazing.
Probably should have cooked
Oh my
that.
goodness, it's Gollum. Yeah.
I ain't gonna be hungry anymore.
Help. Help.
You good, bro? Oh, this is beautiful. A fish!
Come here, buddy. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Nope. Oh my gosh, there's two.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Don't worry, Richard. I'm coming. I'm on my
This
way.
one's female.
Squirrel. Alright, I'm coming.
Or it's a child. It looks small. Could be a child. I poked it with some sticks.
Dude, who are you fighting? There's nothing there.
Gollum.
How
Yeah.
far are we from Calvin? Wow, we are.
I'm surprised he hasn't followed you. He's still gathering sticks.
Yeah.
He'll come back home someday.
Yeah, I think that whole like he will sit there forever type thing, you know, is alright, I'm gonna put down the first log, you ready? Boom. First log has been placed.
What? Why is it diagonal? What the frick?
It's not, you just gotta
Yeah, bro. What? That's I'm building my own house.
my favorite sounds are the screams of jockey cannibals.
You too? Made a mistake.
I made a mistake. Eh, eh, eh.
That's disgusting.
My joke?
Uh,
Oh my
yeah,
gosh!
okay.
Oh, dude, I was putting down a log and he just freaking jumps out of nowhere.
That's great. Um, there's a female. Hello,
With 4 legs. 3 legs.
and 3 arms. Three legs and 3 arms. You scared her off. She was saying hello. Female on the horizon. Watch out, boys. Oh, wait, you're attacking her. What the frick? What is wrong with you?
She took my
Wait,
spear.
she's a friend.
Oh wait, she's a friendly.
Bruh,
Killer.
that's it.
Killer. Killer.
Nah, frick you.
Jockey. The jockey killed me.
Wow.
I'm dead.
You deserve it.
a revive. Now this is awesome. Better win that fight.
I'm just scarring him.
Nice. The jockey's back. He's running towards you.
What? Am I on fire? Oh, I am.
Casually sits in fire. Am I burning?
Uh,
Just ate the
hey,
tree.
jockeys, how's it going? Sup, Gollum?
So did you not try to communicate with her?
I did. She like waved at me and everything, and I was like, "Oh, okay."
Okay,
And
so
then
why
I
didn't
came
you?
up and frickin' stabbed her in the face.
Why didn't you tell me the fact that she tried to communicate with us
You just hit her,
before?
and you just. What do you mean, bro? You didn't even give me a chance. I was like, wait a second, she's communicating, and then all of a sudden, stab.
Well, I'm sorry. I thought that she was hostile. Okay.
Yeah, she definitely gave off hostile vibes.
She did. 3 arms? Excuse me? Yeah.
Oh, good heavens. Were you implying that having 3 arms makes you inherently evil?
Evil.
Exactly.
I don't know. Well, I'm sorry. Most of the things in this game. I think the jockey just killed itself. He did.
Nice. Take those dubs. More food for me. So you can eat buffet.
Oh, come on. Not in my house. Okay. He's
Alright,
outside my
Tanner.
house. Yeah.
Watch this, just in case it has any dastardly effects. Oh, wait.
You can't
Where
eat it.
do I- You underestimate my hunger.
Are you able to eat it? Did you try?
I did, yeah. It
No.
actually didn't hurt me at all. Cool.
Maybe they're not people.
More food for me. Yeah. Maybe they're not people. Oh, hello. Ain't seen you guys in a minute. Oh. goodness, that was great. You're coming with me, friend.
Hurts there. They tend to be lethal. Whoa, he hurts a lot.
Yes. Noted.
Got him. No, he hit me with a bone and it killed me.
Oh, dang. Alright, respawn this.
Respawn. These guys hurt though. This guy with the freaking bone.
Dang,
Oh la 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 la.
dang.
Plus, this is an infinite freaking farm of rope.
True. Yeah, you guys got a nice butt. What?
Water, my friend.
Uh,
Allowed. My backpack.
grab.
I want their golf cart. That's it. You're dead.
Oh, nice. you're taking it.
Ow!
My bad.
That was your bad, yeah. I think I just ate his leg by accident. I meant to hit you with it.
Bro.
I meant to hit you with it, okay?
Alright, this body's mine. I'm taking it back to you.
Crafted club. Wait. What do I need?
There's no way those guys are still at our base, right?
Doubt.
Imagine we come back and our houses are completely destroyed.
Yeah. Calling it. Where's the rope? Oh, it's up here.
We definitely need like bows or something.
Oh, I made a
Wait, I got a
club,
bunch of
dude.
rope, so
Oh my gosh, I have a skull club. I'm going to dunk. Every time I hit someone, it's gonna be that
nice.
dunk sound.
Donk. Bonk.
No, yeah. Wait, say that one more time. Just say it one more time.
Bonk.
That's it. That's gonna be copied and pasted over every time I hit someone. That
Nice.
what you yeah. Oh my gosh, I can actually wear the creepy armor. How do I look?
Bro, what the frick? Looks like you wrapped some tentacles on your
Can I use this wood then if you're gonna get rid of it?
No, I'm using it, I just haven't used it yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
You are stealing the
Nope, nope,
rocks
nope,
I'm
nope, nope, nope. I'm
collecting.
done. I'm done. Like I said, that was it.
Mm-hmm. That's funny. I'm like collecting rocks and I look over and it's just you're taking from my pile. It's like bruh. SMH. Bonk.
Timber! What?
Minecraft explosion.
It fell into my house.
Bruh. You're stealing my logs. Bruh.
What? No, I
Yeah,
didn't
for
steal
sure.
nothing. No, that was just one. I literally just walked by and it
Mm.
levitated in my hand. My food's cooking, so just kite him.
He's knocking down my house. Oh fricker.
Okay.
Bonk. Stab.
Oh! He just did like a swinging pick me up, pick me up, pick me up, pick me up, run around, pick me up.
I got you.
Goated.
Oh, bonk.
Oh no. Pick me up, pick me up. Ah.
Oh no. I stepped in fire. Bonk.
Oh no, if that had connected, I probably would have killed him there. He's lowish.
Oh good headphones. I got you. Oh.
He just. Yes.
Bonk. Poke. Bonk. Poke. Bonk. Nice, he dropped a pouch.
Good.
This is gonna be some good eating.
All right, I'll be back.
Alright.
We need to get Kelvin back. Because he can collect sticks for me. Because I don't like collecting sticks. It's tedious. I also remember there's a camp over here. I'd like to fight them. Yeah, you're there. Is there anyone here? Oh, there's plenty here. Holy. Woo. Okay. Think that's about everything. We're gonna continue down this stream. Alright, Kelvin. I'm on my way. I want to go down and see if I can get that. Go to the helicopter wreckage. That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, fair enough. Hey, finally completed something.
A life vest. This is on the whole other side of the beach, though. This is near the helicopter crash.
Ooh.
Wait. These are orcas. There's just dead orcas over here.
Nice.
And paddles. People have been here. Yeah, there's a shoe. Okay. Interesting. I'm not able to harvest anything off of the orcas. They've been here for too long. But there is a life vest on the beach. Interesting. So I wonder if there were other survivors.
Interesting.
Or if this is just a completely different crash. Oh, they may have been the 3 that we're looking for. That life vest might have been from them. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. But there are a million. Calvin, 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 Calvin. Come here. Follow me. Alright. Yeah, come on, bud. Oh, I remember this house. Like I was building it not too long ago. Oh. Alright, Calvin, go get...
You find any sea turtles?
I'm gonna have him... No, I didn't. I'm gonna go have him get fish. Logs. Oh, he could go get logs?
Yeah.
Wait, but doesn't he need an axe?
No, I think he just gives it to him.
Oh.
Are you hungry? If so, I've got some squirrel meat. Ooh.
Bye, Kelvin.